Hello, Ralph. How are you?
I'm fine.
Great. Welcome to Dreamstar Harare auditions. You're going to sing for us?
Yes.
Go ahead, my brother.
We'll be somewhere. We'll be somewhere. Somewhere. With Jesus being our head. We'll be singing joyful song. Also memory. Calvary. Glory be to the mighty. Glory be to his only begotten Son, who was crucified at Golgotha, but the way, no way at Golgotha. The blood was flowing from his side. But Jesus said, no way until die.
I don't know what these guys are going to say, but whatever he said, remember that was a gospel song.
I don't think you needed a mic, actually. You scared us right from the beginning. For me, it's when it comes down to the singing, you're shouting. There's no singing there. So sadly, from my side, it's a no.
I think you were doing the wrong audition. You should have written shouting. You're not singing now. It's a no from me.
I need another chance.
No. Thank you.